Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. You know what, guys? I got an awesome update for you. My Nova is sitting on the ground. Not really. But anyway, check this out. Let me turn this camera around and show you what we got. Okay, so sorry about that. I had to lie to you. But anyway, no, check this out. She's really not sitting on the ground. It is just sitting on the jack stands in the back. The reason I got it sitting on the jack stands in the back because I have my rear end out. That is a John's rear end. And that is going back to them. That is my handy dandy axles right there. And she is going to be cut down 54 inches and 7/8. 54 7/8. And that is my return label right there, back to John's Industries. Really good company that I like to deal with. So anyway, moving on, that is my exhaust system right there. Those are my cutouts. If you guys haven't checked out my video on the cutouts, go ahead and duck on over there and check those out. I love these little things right here. Those are nice. Those are like 40 bucks, man. And they are great. 2.5 inch. So anyway, I'm going to do another video up on those once I get everything up, socked in there and ready to rock and roll. So I know you guys had a lot of questions about those, so I'm going to be getting those in. But back to the car. The car is sitting low, sitting mean. And let me go ahead and take you out the back. Let me just show you real quick. So as you can see, there's my panhard bar. There's my coilover right there. And that is part of my 4-link right there. So she's just sitting on there. The wheels are just sitting underneath there, and they are supported by the jack stands right there. Let me get my finger out the way. So there you go. All right, so there you go. So as you see, the windows are tinted. Those are limo tint. I do like those, and I wanted to get them nice and dark. So, but anyway, guys, if you guys just stick around a little bit longer, I'm going to have my rear end back in about maybe about a week. I'm going to say about a week, week and a half, 2 weeks to get it back in. So I do have some time off from work. That's why I've been working, trying to get this thing going. So other than that, once the axle's in, take it to the alignment shop. Almost forgot. Carpet, door panels. I got a new stall converter coming in, and that is coming in tomorrow. I'm gonna shoot a little video for you guys on that piece right there. So anyway, guys, there you go. Let me go ahead and walk back a little bit. Bow. Anyway, guys, stick around. More to come. Guys, I'm gonna duck on out of here. If you guys haven't clicked and subscribed, please do. It's gonna help my channel out quite a bit. I want to reach 1,000. So I'm scraping, pulling, teeth. I'm doing anything I can to get 1,000. So anyway, help me out. Throw me a like, throw me a subscribe. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna duck on out of here. As always, drive safe, be safe. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.